Okay.
How far should I go? Pretty far? Or?
Just a little ways. We're gonna shoot him in the back. See what he thinks of paintball.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep.
Ooh, that was the arm.
Oh, I didn't feel it at first, but now I'm feeling it.
A little bit worse than airsoft, huh?
Oh my.
Yeah, me. I decided all of a sudden to get into airsoft and paintball. Good idea, right? Right? Look at what happened. I got a hole in my arm. So good. But I wanted to experience the real thing, so we took a trip somewhere.
Is that yours?
What? Oh, that's awesome.
He's cheating.
That's insane. See the recoil?
How many does that shoot?
Oh, it's like shaking you. There's like random stakes, bob wire.
There's like two things. Hello?
There's a pair of feet hanging from the ceiling.
Welcome to the tunnel.
Oh, that is awesome. Some professionals that does
It ends right here.
Oh.
It's so weird. What are these pipes for?
It's probably for like plumbing system or something.
I got like toilets up there to
Probably we're just walking in it.
Just rocks.
Yeah. It'd be cool to have a fire in here though.
Yeah, it would. Or camp out zone, fire, hobo living. Yeah. Hair is like.
Oh.
It's so
Oh. Dang.
pops out.
Get nailed. Is this where your nut shot was?
I was right here. The guy was right there, and he just lasers.
Just up to nuts. Dude.
But I mean, it's big. Like, and there's like a set tunnel right there.
Oh, there's a tunnel over there. Oh.
There's a tunnel. We gotta go look at that.
Oh, that is awesome.
There's a tunnel. Last time.
It would have to be for mining and stuff.
Yeah.
If it's like this out here.
Pornhub.com.
You gotta promote anywhere you can. Oh, that's awesome. Oh yeah, you'll see this.
Filled with snow. And then look, there's like a slant right here that's like icy. So
Here, someone jump in and test it. See if it's anything.
No.
That's right there.
There's another hole right here. So yeah.
Just this random
Just a
thing.
couple holes you don't want to fall into. And this one's hard to see because of the snow and it's just like wood.
I know, you don't see this one.
See, like, and there's probably a hole right here. But no, you're fine.
I'll send you.
Just fall through. I'm gonna say it's just wood, right? Rotten wood.
All these are like things you can hide behind. So I'm gonna go check this tunnel out right here.
Why is there a random arc?
It's like arches, like.
Yeah, but the field goes way back there, like there's even stuff out there. And it goes through this edge right here. Yeah, oh, this is a big one.
How do you not see that?
Jeez.
Oh my god. That one's one that would be really hard to get out of if you fell in.
Yeah.
One of that beam, but that beam looks like it's about to break anyways.
What is in there?
It's just so
Is that
random.
metal? What is the It's like some rusty
Yeah.
metal.
Or though.
Yeah, so just watch out for all the holes.
It's got random stuff everywhere. Let's see what's over here. Looks like people have been here before though. Oh yeah, they were intrigued by it too. Holy, what the? Dang, that goes all the way through though. You could hide down here. We're supposed to be here for an airsoft battle, but nobody's here. Holy. I'm like literally crouched down. Oh. You can see down there? Oh, you can see it better. Hello? Oh! Ooh. Oh, it's just so weird. Like, what would they use this for? The mattress. Ew. I don't want to know what's been on that mattress. Whoa! It leads out to the arch. Oh, it's so cool. I'll go over here real quick. What the? I don't know, a piece of dirt just fell. There's me walking. But yeah, literally no one has showed up yet. But we got here a little bit earlier, so we'll wait a little bit more. If not, we'll just have a 1-on-3 or free-for-all or something like that. And I'm back up here again. A doorway. An alien. Got weird doorways. Just weird stuff. This place is pretty big though. That's so cool. You get used to it. Oh, I forgot how deep this was. Holy, I can't even see my bullets. Yeah, I'm like way close. I need to get closer. Get down. Where did that other guy go? Oh, alright, hit! Oh, I'm too busy trying to film. Well, it starts snowing too. I'm playing the snow. No one showed up though. But it's still fun. Oh, you can't even find them.
We never did find him the whole time he was sitting in the car. I don't know why, but we were out looking for them the whole time. I'm gonna try these types of video out. I'm gonna be posting a couple of them to see how they do and what I'm into. I want to get into exploring abandoned places because I think that's so fun. I think I should do it at nighttime and try to like maybe get ghost hunting stuff. I think I've already ordered some to try and ghost hunt and just go to abandoned places, because what fun is that? I feel like it'd be a cool idea. But yeah, we decided to leave because it was snowing really hard and we ended up getting back really late. But very cool, very fun adventure. I think we're gonna try paintballing again just to see how it is. And I got a whole setup, so might as well use it. As always, hit the subscribe button, like the video, share it with everybody you think that would like this. Thank you guys for watching, and always be positive, stay happy, and later!